Here are 3 reasons why you need to create evergreen content on your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so what is evergreen content? Evergreen content is content that you create on your channel that lives longer. It has a longer shelf life. For example, this YouTube channel. Most of the videos on this channel are evergreen content, meaning it does not matter what time of the year you come on this channel. You can watch a tutorial any time of the year, and a video like this can last for years. So here are the 3 reasons why you need to create evergreen content on your YouTube channel. The content lasts longer. I'm not joking. Some videos on our YouTube channel still get views to this day, and they were created in 2017, 2018, 2019, years ago, and they still create subscribers, comments, views, ad revenue, commissions, course sales, clients, customers, and they are years old on our channel. Just to give you an example of something that's not evergreen, let's say I created a Christmas holiday video. That is likely only going to be watched during the Christmas holidays or leading up to it. You know, maybe September, October, November, December, but then after Christmas, it's likely not going to be watched again up until it comes back to that time of the year. So that it's only going to be really good for that portion of the year versus evergreen, where it's like you can watch it any time of the year. The second reason why you should create evergreen content on your channel is that you won't be chasing viral content or trends that can be physically and mentally draining. Have you ever tried to create viral content or trending content? You have to move fast. You have to be very quick. You have to stay on top of everything. You need to be in the know of all the knowledge. And it's draining. It's extremely draining. I personally can't imagine myself doing this week after week after week. We release 3 videos a week on this channel, plus a live stream every other 2 weeks. And if it was all about chasing trends and doing viral content, I would be so exhausted. Going down this route is way more stressful and less enjoyable, in my opinion. Reason number 3 to create evergreen content on your YouTube channel is that these kinds of videos are a better return on investment, both with time and money. For example, let's say you spend 5 hours creating a video for viral content, trending stuff. And then you spent 5 hours creating a video with evergreen content. You spent 5 hours on both of those. The evergreen one, usually in the analytics and the data, it's like it'll start off slow, right? And then it'll go like this, and then it stays steady and it keeps getting views and views over time because the video has the ability to live longer, potentially for years, versus the viral trending stuff. It usually starts off really high, right? And then it tanks because it's over. You're on to the next trend, that viral whatever fades. So it starts off like that, and then it goes down, the views go down. So if you look at those two from a long-term perspective, to me, I would rather choose the evergreen content because even though it doesn't start off high, it lives longer and it continues. And if I'm going to be spending 5 hours on each type of video, I'd rather spend the 5 hours on this and I actually get more out of it for a longer time. And so when you break it down, evergreen content is a better return on investment, both with time and money. So those are 3 reasons why you should create evergreen content for your YouTube channel. At the end of the day, it's all going to depend on which type of content you like creating. For me, it's evergreen content. But if you really do love chasing the viralness and the trending stuff and you're cool with it and you like all the craziness that goes along with that, then that's great. And every so often, we will create a video on a trend or, trying to do a little bit of a viral thing, but it's definitely not something that I want to do for the long term. So that's why we just kind of do them a couple times a year. So Are you going to be creating evergreen content on your YouTube channel? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you are interested on how we run our YouTube channel, how we get clients, how we make course sales, how we make Google ad revenue every month with this channel, head down to the description below as we have a course called The Profitable Channel. It goes through our blueprint and our systems on how we have a successful YouTube channel that earns us over $10,000 a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.